Hi and welcome to Stephen's Organic Farming YouTube channel. This is my first video on YouTube and now we'll be seeing about aquaponics. What is aquaponics? Aquaponics is a combination of growing fish and plants together without soil. In aquaponics, instead of soil, we will be using some other media like expanded clay, silica sand or gravel. And in aquaponics, we will not be able to use any chemical fertilizers or pesticides. In case we use any pesticide or fertilizer in the system, the fish will die immediately, and when the fish dies, the nutrients required for the plants will not be supplied to the plants. Hence, the plants also will die and totally the system will collapse. And in aquaponics, we will be saving a lot of water. Like we can save around 80% of the water compared to traditional farming. And this process of aquaponics is completely organic since no pesticides or chemicals are being used. Now let's see the process involved in an aquaponics system. In an aquaponics system, the only input to the system after the initial setup is the fish food, and the fish consumes the food, and the wastage from the fish food as well as the fish waste get accumulated at the bottom of the tank, and they form sediments. These sediments decompose and form ammonia. Ammonia is toxic to the fish, and this ammonia is converted to nitrite through a bacteria known as nitrosomonas. Here the interesting fact is that ammonia is toxic to the fish and nitrite is even more toxic to the fish, and that is the reason why when we have an aquarium at home, the water has to be changed frequently. If we don't change the water frequently, then the fish will die. But here in aquaponics system, the nitrate will be converted through a bacteria known as nitrobacter to nitrate, and that is the reason why we don't need to exchange water in an aquaponics system. And this nitrate, which has the required nutrients for the plants, is supplied to the plants through water, and the water consumes and the plant consumes the required nutrients, and the water which is left out, the balanced water, is purified and clean water is left out, and this water is sent back to the fish tank, and the process is repeated again and again, and it is recycled. Hence the wastage of water is avoided in an aquaponics system. Now let's have a look at the aquaponics system setup at the terrace. This is a 1200 liters fish tank. It has around 50 to 60 fishes in it. There are different varieties of fishes that we can grow in aquaponics system, like tilapia, red belly or pangasius. Many other varieties are also available, and these are the edible varieties, whereas we can also have fishes like ornamental fishes also. In this system, the water is being pumped from this tank. It goes to the storage tank at the top, and from the storage tank the water comes to the filtration tank, which is also known as mechanical filter. In the mechanical filter, there are different filters which are used, like gravel and fishnet, and aquarium foam is also used. From the mechanical filter, the water flows to the biological filter. In the biological filter, there are media. It is known as biological balls, and in this media, the microbes and the bacteria for the aquaponics system grow in that media. and now the water flows from the biological filter to the NFT system. The NFT system is there will be a small amount of water flowing continuously through the pipe for 24 hours, and the plants will be placed in a net cup. The net cups are like this, and the media used here is expanded clay. So this plants are placed in the net cup and placed in the PVC pipes. So the plants absorb the required nutrients from the water, and the water alone flows back to the fish tank. There is also another system which we are having, that is the grow bed system. The water flows from the filter to the grow bed system. In this system, the water slowly flows into the grow bed system, and when it reaches a certain height, when it reaches that point, the water is being pulled through the siphon. This is the siphon which pulls the water when the water reaches a certain level in the grow bed. Actually, in the grow bed, the water level rises slowly, and at a certain point it is being pulled out through the siphon. When it is being pulled out through the siphon, the water is removed at a high speed. So what happens is that oxygen from the atmosphere is absorbed into the tank, and when the oxygen is absorbed into the tank, the roots of the plants will be able to absorb the required oxygen for the growth of the plants. This video taken earlier has well-grown plants like tomato, mint, palak, etc. As you have seen in this video, we can grow both fish and plants that is completely organic in a small space in the terrace or in the backyard. So if you have the required space, why don't you start your own aquaponics system? If you have any clarifications, or if you are interested in starting an aquaponics system, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number given in the video. If you like this video, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell icon to get notifications. Thank you.